Manifest in 24 hours when you stop doing these 3 things.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hi, I'm Rachel Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of your dreams and goals. How many of you want to manifest faster? Manifest even within 24 hours. Well, to manifest in 24 hours, you must stop doing these 3 things. Let's get right into it. Number 1, give up the belief that you're not perfect. Everything in the universe vibrates. Everything is perfect. And we as humans are the only ones that seem to forget this. Do you ever see a blade of grass complaining that it's not perfect? Do you ever have a pet worrying about its looks? Do you ever see a cloud that is not perfect? Your beliefs vibrate. And when your belief is that you're not perfect, you're sending out a vibration of imperfection to the universe. Therefore, you're attracting more imperfection. When you start believing you are perfect, you will align with your intention, with your goals and your dreams, and you'll be able to manifest within 24 hours that which you desire. Have no doubt that you are the right person in the right place at the right time to manifest your dream in 24 hours. Everyone has 24 hours. Make your beliefs count in those 24 hours so you can manifest and bring your life to a new, exciting level. When you believe you are perfect, when you believe you are worthy of that which you desire, you can manifest great things even within 24 hours. So give up your belief that you're imperfect. Number 2, give up the limiting belief that you are restricted by time. Remember, time is an illusion in the universe. Time is a man-made construct so that communication and meetings can happen with ease. But in the universe, there is no time. In 1 second, a phone call can change your life. In 2 minutes, scratching a scratcher can make you $1 million winner, as one of our clients was. To the universe, 24 hours is the same as 24 minutes. 24 minutes could be 24 seconds. Manifestation happens fast when you give up your limiting belief that time is constraining your dreams and your goals. Relationships that have been separated can be reunited in a quick 30-minute phone call when you allow the universe to bring your goals and your dreams to pass, when you're not restricting the flow of energy, worrying about how much time you do or do not have. Your vibration is eternal. It is not limited by time. And when you manifest from your eternal vibration, things happen fast. Manifestation happens within 24 hours. Napoleon Hill has said, whatever you conceive and believe, you can achieve. And let's add one more word to that. Now. Whatever you conceive and believe, you can achieve now. Right now. Doesn't matter what time the clock says. Doesn't matter what day of the week it is. Doesn't matter what month of the year it is. Doesn't matter what year of the century it is. Time does not restrict your manifestation. So give up the belief that time is stopping you. Number 3, give up the belief that whatever you desire is far off or a long way away. Energy is always flowing, so energy can shift in an instant. In an instant, you can have an idea, you can make an investment, you can get a phone call or a text message. Therefore, your desires are not far away or a long ways off. Make them present in your energy field right now. In the energy that's always flowing, your desires are right next to you. All you have to do is take a moment and breathe. Breathe in that life force and see your dreams in your reality. Quit seeing them a long way off. Some of you set up your goals to be 5 years down the road, I'm going to do this. 10 years from now, I'm going to do this. Maybe someday I'll get a chance to do that. Why not make it now? Be the vibration of now and see your dreams and goals manifest within the next 24 hours when you vibrate in the now. So remember, you are perfect. And as Walt Disney said, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. You are the right person at the right time for your dreams to manifest. And whatever you desire, it is not years away. It can be as simple as just a heartbeat away. So start manifesting in the next 24 hours. Post down below what you've manifested. We love to hear from you. And remember, you're always attracting the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.